SB19 with members Stel, Pablo, Justine, Ken, and Josh may be leading P-pop group, but they haven't been spared from criticism. Ever since they debut, they faced negative comments about their appearance. Even after making effort towards person growth and enhancing their looks, the boys still encounter considerable backlash of their appearance. Stell, in particular, has been the target of name calling and criticism, with some netizens speculating that he had a nose job as a part of his glow up. Stell addressed his during the guesting in the weekend magazine show Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho that aired last Sunday, June 16, 2024 on GMA 7. During the interview, the show host Jessica Soho went straight to the point and asked the singer.
Pasensya ka na, Stel, ha? Pinaayos daw yung ilong mo?
And just as candidly, Sel in his reply reaffirmed his group's stance on personal growth through cosmetic enhancement. He said,
Well, this time, sa panahon po ngayon, wala naman po na kasing masama
when it comes to enhancing yourself. Hashtag self-love. Kung dun ka magiging masaya, dun ka magiging confident, ano naman. Tsaka ang mahalaga, kung may budget ka, ipagawa mo na. In a previous interview with Pep PH, Stel opened up about feeling insecure about self-care practices when he was starting out. He shared, kasi before, parang na-experience ko ito, parang gusto ko i-improve yung sarili ko. Pero nandun yung maliit na bagay na iniisip mo na baka ma-judge ako, parang ganon. Like yung hindi yung simple step o yung first step na nagpunta sa derma para magpa-facial, parang dati natatakot ako. Kasi baka mamaya ma-judge ako, so sasabihin, bakit ka nagpagkaganyan? Mahal niyan. Kaya ba ng budget mo? Kaya mo bang i-maintain yung ganyan? So dati pa lang iniisip ko yan, parang hindi ko kaya. So, yung gusto kong gagawin first step for myself, hindi ko magsimulan dahil ang mga iniisip ko na dahil sa iniisip kong sasabihin ng ibang tao sa akin. Recalling his past anxiety over cosmetic enhancement, Sel made a remark about the current generation positive attitude toward self-improvement. He told to Pep PH, kasi alam mo yun, hindi lang sa willing sila mag-step up and improve yung sarili nila. Also, willing din sila para i-educate yung mga tao, and yung i-educate ang parang tulungan yung ibang tao na may concern din sa sarili nila. Na parang you should visit your derma para malaman nyo kung ano yung kailangan niyo sa skin nyo. Para mag-guide kayo kung ano dapat niyong gawin para sa sarili nyo. Ma-improve yung anything. Tapos, starting from that small step, kahit may kunting improvement pa rin siya na nakaka-proud. Kasi before, hindi ko siya magawa for myself. Pero ngayon, knowing na may mga tao and big company na talaga na sinusuportahan kami. Parang sabi ko, ang saya sa pakiramdam. Kasi yung step na gusto kong gawin before, magiging possible na siya ngayon. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa video ito? Paki-share po yan sa comment section. At kung gusto nyo mag-request ng video, i-comment na din ang title para magawan ko ng research.